Now I will tell you about the benefit and the synergy. Every person in the world desires that he should get benefit in his field. Every industrialist in the world has the desire to get benefit in the field of industry. Every person in the field of marketing desires that he should be benefited in his field. Every worker in any field has the desire to get the benefit while working. Every farmer in the world has the desire to get the benefit in the field of farming. There is a desire of benefit normally in every field. In the field of spiritualism also, there is a wish of benefit. The supreme benefit in the field of spiritualism is the salvation. Salvation is the supreme benefit in the field of spiritualism. And hence in the field of spiritualism, every person may have the desire of getting salvation. That means that every person in the field of spiritualism also may have the desire to get the benefit. That benefit can be termed as salvation or any other things. Hence, normally every person in any field may have the desire to get the benefit. Now what is synergy? How synergy works? What is the secret of synergy? The answers of such questions must be known to all. What is synergy? The synergy is an interaction of two forces or two persons or two companies. Synergy is an interaction of two or more forces. Synergy is an interaction of two or more companies. Synergy is an interaction of two or more individuals when the combined effect of those persons is greater than the sum of individual effects. This point must be noted. The combined effect of two or more persons is more than the sum of individual effects of those persons. This can be assumed, this is assumed for two or more companies, for two or more forces, etc. I am telling this subject in very simple way. The combined effect is greater than the sum of individual effects. Then you can see the synergy. You can notice the formation of synergy. This is very important fact. This is beneficial one. When useful effects, combined useful effects is greater, that is beneficial thing. That is very, very beneficial thing. And hence, it is done. When two or more companies are united with each other, then synergistic effect is noticed. What is synergy? The Greek word synergia means working together. And what does synergy mean? I have told just now that synergy is an interaction of two or more forces when the combined effect of those forces is greater than the sum of individual force effects. This is synergy in nutshell. Synergy is beneficial one, and hence synergy is achieved in various fields. For example, the formation of a cooperative society is for getting synergy. When many doctors in various faculties unite with each other and they form a huge hospital, then synergy can be noticed in that. Synergistic effect can be seen in that. When partnership is done within two or more partners, then synergy can be noticed. Synergistic effect can be achieved. In various fields, synergistic effect is received. I have told just now the things which are beneficial. Sometimes the synergy can be disastrous also. First group is synergy of beneficial things. That is beneficial synergy. And the second group is disastrous, is of disastrous synergies. When two or more persons unite with each other having harmful intention, there is a birth of disastrous synergy. When two or more organizations unite with each other with disastrous intention, then there is a formation of disastrous synergy. When two or more nations unite with each other with same disastrous object, then disastrous synergy can be noticed. Disastrous synergy can be noticed. Please remember this point again. When two or more nations unite with each other, with harmful intention, then there is a formation of disastrous synergy. There is a birth of disastrous synergy. When two or more snakes bite, then you can see the disastrous synergy. When a snake and a scorpion bites, when a snake bites and simultaneously a scorpion bites, you can see the disastrous synergy. When two rats bite, you can see the arrival of harmful synergy. When two or more offenses are done, there is a formation of hazardous synergy. When several poisons are taken, you can see the synergistic effect. When two or more poisons are taken, synergistic effects can be noticed. When poison is taken along with the contaminated food, you can notice the synergistic effect. And that synergistic effect is disastrous one. When there is an existence of two or more mental disorders, there is an arrival of synergistic effect. When there is an existence of two or more mental disorders, you can see the synergistic effect, which is disastrous one. When two or more diseases are there, you can notice the synergy. When there is an existence of physical disease along with the mental disease, then you can notice the disastrous synergy. These are the examples of disastrous synergies. Disastrous synergies must be avoided. Must be avoided. Disastrous synergies must be avoided. In the world, there is an importance of beneficial synergies only. Beneficial synergy has importance in the field of marketing. Beneficial synergy has the importance in the field of industry. Beneficial synergy has the importance in various fields related to economics. Beneficial synergy has the importance in the field of medical science. Beneficial synergy has the importance in several fields. In the field of spiritualism also, there is an importance of beneficial synergy. When hearing of spiritual knowledge is done, along with the reading of spiritual knowledge, synergy can be noticed. When, along with the hearing of spiritual knowledge, thinking of that knowledge is done, you can notice the synergy. When the spiritual knowledge is heard, when the spiritual knowledge is read, when the spiritual knowledge is held constantly, then you can notice the synergistic effect. This synergistic effect is very helpful for the salvation. And hence in the field of spiritualism also, there is an importance of synergy. There is much more importance of synergy in the field of spiritualism. Hearing, reading and thinking and many other things are done for the spiritual knowledge. Then spiritual knowledge resides constantly, and that will help for the salvation. And hence in the field of spiritualism, there is an importance of synergy. Now, anyone will ask, where is the root of synergy? I will tell the root of synergy. In Rig Veda, there is a hymn known as Saudhyana Sukta. You can see the root of synergy in that. In various hymns of Vedas, you can see the roots of synergy. You can see the roots of synergy in Vedic hymns. And hence, there is an importance of synergy in Hinduism, in Christianity, in Judaism, in Islam, in Zoroastrianism, and in many other religions also. There is an importance of synergy. There is an importance of synergy in various religions. There is an importance of synergy in various sects. Why? Why there is an importance of synergy in the field of religion or sects? Because in the field of religion, there is a concept that when the effort and grace are united with each other, there is a formation of synergy. This concept is actual concept. This is the truth. This is the complete truth. When efforts are joined with the grace, the efforts are joined with the supreme grace, then synergy can be noticed. When the efforts in the field of spiritualism are joined with the grace, you can notice the synergy. And hence in every religion there is an importance of synergy. There is an importance of supreme grace, and there is an importance of efforts also. And hence there is an importance of synergy also in every religion, in Hinduism, in Christianity, in Islam, in Judaism, in Zoroastrianism, and in other religions also. There is an importance of synergy. There is an importance of synergy. You must notice this thing. You should study this fact that there is an importance of synergy in various religions. When human efforts are joined with the grace, naturally there will be a birth of synergy. There will be a birth of synergy. This fact must be considered in detail. And as in religious field also, there is an importance of synergy. This must be understood by all. Now, there is an importance of beneficial synergy. There is no importance of disastrous synergies. Disastrous synergy must be avoided. Disastrous synergy or synergies must be avoided completely. There is an importance of beneficial synergy. Beni. The word beni means good. Beneficial means advantageous. That synergy which is advantageous, that is known as beneficial synergy. Benefit means advantage. Benefit means profit. Benefit means advantage. And hence, there is an importance of beneficial synergy. In the world, naturally, there is much more importance of beneficial energy. Naturally, there is much more importance of beneficial synergy in the world. This point must be remembered by all. Datta, Datta, Datta.